We live in a time when if you want protein in your diet, there are countless options that can be put on the table. But today, we're focused on steak.
And helping us in the DelmarvaLife kitchen today is Jeremy Meyer, the general manager and chef at Marlin Moon Restaurant in Ocean City. Welcome.
Thank you.
What are we doing today?
We're going to make steak crostini. It's part of our restaurant week. We've got 3 courses for $55. This is one of the featured appetizers that we have. We've got some great stuff here, so let's go.
Let's get started, and you tell us about while we're doing this. Okay.
Yeah,
what
so
do we do?
We'll do this. Let's have you go ahead. I gave you some examples here. You can slice up some veggies.
He gave you some examples.
Listen,
I love
he
that.
has obviously seen me cut before, so yeah, that's a good idea.
I'm working with tons of people, so I've got to do this. You can go ahead and cook the steak. Let's fire this up.
Awesome. Now tell us a little bit about Restaurant Week.
Yeah.
It's great. I mean, it's just a good time. Everybody's offering different specials, and you know, you get some good discounts in there. So, I mean, it's just a fun time all around. It's fun. I'm glad we get to participate in it.
Are there a lot of restaurants that do participate?
Yeah,
Oh,
a
wow.
ton of them.
Very cool.
Pretty much, I would say everybody that's open in
Yeah.
Ocean City, but you never know. Let's go ahead and season that up,
Season
and you
it
can
up, all
toss them
right.
right. I'll put them in since I have the gloves
Like
on.
a lot of seasoning on these?
Yeah.
Or? All right.
I always like to get a good coat of seasoning. I mean, you've got some great beef there, so we don't really have to worry about that. But that's just going to add to your dish.
Now, is the point of Restaurant Week to kind of visit all of them? Do you get like a punch card?
I mean, not that I know of, but I know there's like restaurateurs
Yeah,
and stuff that
awesome.
do that as well. So that's
Am I
fun.
doing this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd yell at you.
I
if you
was
want.
afraid of. I was trying to avoid that.
Not really. Not really. But
So what are we putting in there?
Was that-
we're going to put some heavy cream, or excuse me, half and half in here. This is for the sauce for the dish. I mean, crostini's just, you know, little toasted bread. So,
Crostini.
yeah, crostini.
Okay.
Now, Graham, we took that a little bit larger. We're not doing little ones.
The
We're
little
doing
things?
a little bit bigger.
Right, okay.
I'm
That's
going to
because you know
slide
we like
behind
to
you.
eat. You,
Right, what
you
do we
heard.
We're going to pop this on in the oven. Got to toast them up.
How long, how much?
We're just going to do this probably for about 3 minutes.
Okay.
350.
Do we season this side of the steak?
Yeah, we're going to season that
Okay.
side too, so feel free. I'm just going to get this cream heated.
And as you can see here,
That's
this is why I
perfect.
don't work at a restaurant.
It's good.
Jimmy, you did
I think It's
good.
good, yeah.
It's because you got most of it first. Okay, so what are you doing now?
All right, we're going to put a little butter in here. We're going to saute up some veggies. They'll top the steaks for us.
Put them all in?
Yep, yeah, go
All right.
ahead.
And this
Why
is
not?
enough? Take all of
Sure,
this?
yeah.
What's your favorite part about working at Marlin Moon?
Honestly, you know, working for the Harrison Group has been great. You have a lot of flexibility, and you get to really do some fun stuff with them. So it's been great all around. You got, you know, they mix it up a lot. We have a pool bar during the season.
Oh, that's fun.
So yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of fun.
Lots
So
of
it's not
going on.
yelling at other people, that's not part of it.
No. Well, and I typically don't yell at other people, so I try
You
not
know,
to.
one of the first parenting things I ever heard was you don't yell at your kids. If you really want to get their attention, you whisper.
Yeah.
And they know you're serious.
Yep. See, that's good right there. We got a nice even coat on that. And then we'll get these going. So, I mean, now we're just kind of warming it up. This cream should be about ready right here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to let you do the honors. This is a horseradish cream sauce that I
Ooh.
put on it. So you can go ahead and pretty much just start dumping in.
Just dump
We're
in.
not going to dump these, though.
I'm not going to dump those.
Yep.
Okay.
So
this
we've
goes
got
in.
the heavy cream. We've kind of, or excuse me, half and half.
Half and half,
Warm
all right.
that up.
What's that he's putting in now?
This is garlic?
Horseradish.
Horseradish.
Nice.
Yep.
Looks like garlic, but it'll
It
do
does look
different
like
things to
garlic.
you.
Oh yeah, you'll smell the difference.
All this ketchup?
Yep, that ketchup can go in there.
All right.
You'd be shocked at how many sauces have ketchup in them.
Really?
Especially like
Yeah, I was
steak
gonna say
sauce has
horseradish.
ketchup in
Yeah.
it, right?
How about that? Okay.
Yep. And cheese.
Good for the cheese.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta
Definitely
have-
all the cheese.
All
Yeah, the cheese is kind of gonna bind it and pull it together here. I think less is more. I don't try to use 50,000 ingredients when I'm making something. All right, the steak's probably good.
All right.
So we're gonna
Boy, that
over
didn't
here
take
and
long,
then-
Yeah,
did it?
let's just take this out of the way. And you can put it right on there. And we're just going to slice it up thinly sliced.
And that's why you gave Lauren that knife.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. And this sauce should be ready in just a little bit.
Oh, I should have been mixing that up, shouldn't I?
Oh, no, that's quite all right.
Well, as you can tell, he's not going to hire me today.
And we're almost done here.
It smells so good already. I'm so excited.
Yeah,
You really enjoy what you do, don't you?
I do. And it's always been about food. I've worked a number of different places, but you know, for me, it just comes back to the kitchen. Yeah, I mean, I love the ever-changing aspect of it. You know, it's not like monotony, like you're doing the same thing every day. So we'll.
You can change up any dish, you know, different flavors for different seasons, right? I mean,
Yeah.
it's kind of like experimenting in the kitchen.
It is.
Oh,
It
yeah.
is.
Okay.
Yep. Exactly.
All right.
So we're
grab
about
those
ready. Let's check the
crostinis out?
crostinis and see how we're doing there.
Now watch me stick my bare hand in there and pull it out too.
Now let's not.
Let's not do that.
No,
Okay.
definitely not.
We have the crostini.
Yep. And
Okay.
that's fine. Lightly toasted.
Where would you like it, Chef? Just here somewhere?
We will go ahead and just start plating this up here.
Okay.
So slide this on over. So what you're going to do is just take 4 and lay them out on that plate. These are good.
I have tried to learn the artistic talent of a chef, and I ain't got it. You guys make things look beautiful in the presentation.
You have to keep learning,
Yeah.
like constantly. So it's not something where I feel like, oh, I'm good. You know, I've got it.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for new dishes, new things to inspire me with. So, all right. So we've got them on here.
Okay.
I'm going to rotate these for you.
Yeah. And I'm not going to try to hurry you, Chef, but can you hurry?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So we'll take this.
Yeah, you got the gloves on. Just go.
I've got the gloves, so we'll just go here.
Oh my.
And that's what everybody's wanting here.
Lauren, you remember that now we have to eat some of it.
I'm so
there.
excited that
And
Lisa's
thank
off.
you for stirring that for me.
Now I get to partake in the goodness of the DelmarvaLife kitchen.
Oh my goodness.
Peppers and onions. This is everything I make. I try to make that's shareable.
Oh yeah, we
And
love
that's
that.
perfect right there.
Okay.
All right. And now we'll just take a little bit of our sauce.
Should I take a fork to this or just pick it up and go?
You know, you can eat it however you want it.
Goodness gracious. look at
And
this.
just some parsley.
Yum. Oh my gosh, look at that. That was simple, Jimmy.
It was. Chef,
It is.
thank you.
I tried to pick something that would be
Yeah,
easy
thank you,
enough for us to
Jeremy.
make.
Yeah.
So tell us again more about Chef's Week.
So
Because we're going to be stuffing things in our mouth.
Yeah. Well, and that's what you want to do. Just visit different restaurants.
Yeah.
Everybody's got their own sort of, niche.
Right.
And everybody's got a different special going on. So
And flavors
definitely,
and
yeah.
stuff like
Oh,
that.
yeah. And that's the great part about it is you can really kind of go around and you can get different flavors from all sorts of different venues. And a lot of people don't necessarily do, it's the
Oh, my
sauce.
goodness.
It's the sauce. Sauce makes the dish.
That is fantastic. And the textures and the.
And like you said, with less things in it, you can taste each thing
Right.
more.
Yeah.
It's not all being overpowered.
Right,
This is so good.
exactly. And you got to have balance to your dish. You can't have just one thing or another.
So Restaurant Week starts on the 27th, right?
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
Restaurant Week will go through May 11th. Our May 11th is Mother's Day, obviously.
Oh.
Right.
So,
Perfect timing.
yeah, exactly. But most restaurants are just running right through Mother's
There we
Day.
go. All the information you need is going to be on DelmarvaLife.com. Click on what's happening today. Jeremy Meyer, thank you so much for coming in today. And
Thank you.
You don't mind Lisa being off, huh?
Yeah, never.
Not at all.
Whenever she wants to take off.
DelmarvaLife, we'll be right back.